Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Before we dive into our presentation today, I'd like to introduce the talented team behind of this project. Me as the group leader, HAZIQ AIMAN bin HAMZAH. Next, we have AIDILADHA bin JEMA'AN, ARINA binti AKMAL KHIR, and NURZAWA ISHQI binti SAMSUL BAHRI as the group member. We are from KPTM Batu Pahat. We are here to present our latest idea pitch project, Footstep Power Generator, which aim to generalize the conversion of pressure into an electrical force broadly. This project will use Footstep Power Generator to harness kinetic energy to produce electricity.
This presentation will be divided into 4 parts: problem identification, uniqueness of the idea, benefits of the project, and last but not least, commercial potential of idea innovation.
Together with the idea, we will solve the problems of the first one, diminishing non-renewable energy that is resulting in a sharp decrease in supply and raising the risk, for example, climate change. Next, the problem of waste of electricity, which happens when energy is produced for buildings but is either inefficiently used or not used regularly. Last but not least, non-eco-friendly. By encouraging eco-friendly behavior, or in other words, putting greater thoughts into Footstep Power Generator. Before we go through the main contents, we must be clear on the differences between renewable and non-renewable energy. Energy that comes from natural sources that refill more quickly than they are used up is known as renewable energy. Examples of such sources that are continuously supplied are sunlight and wind. There are several renewable energy sources available to mankind. However, the supplies for non-renewable energy are severely limited. Since we now rely on these resources to provide the majority of our energy demands, the fact that they cannot be replenished once they are depleted poses a serious threat to humankind. To overcome this problem, we intend to use a device called as piezoelectric to power up our Footstep Power Generator. This type of energy produced can be called as renewable energy. It has a sensor that detects mechanical stress that can be used as a stepping sensor. When the device is stepped on, it will create a displacement of charge, which will in result of accumulation of charge that will produce voltage.
Now, let's go through the uniqueness of the idea. The first one, dual purpose. This project can easily incorporate into urban infrastructure without taking up extra room, acting as both a power producer and a typical walking surface. Number 2, scalability. This project is adaptable to very urban environments. It can be deployed in a variety of high traffic places, including airports, shopping centers, train stations, and sidewalks. Undoubtedly, benefits of Footstep Power Generator vary from a few sides. The first one, the program can reduce demand of non-renewable energy by transmitting the pressure taken from pedestrian to electrical supply. Next, the Footstep Power Generator also carries a smaller negative impact on the environment as it reduces the waste of non-renewable resources that could lead to serious environmental problems. Last but not least, this program can supply electricity in heavy footstep area as it can retrieve more power supply from the system created for this program.
This project can be marketed to urban developers. They can produce eco-friendly neighborhood and upgrade existing pathways. It can also be used in the concert as alternative power for electricity. Lastly, it can lower toll rate and the electricity cost of highways lamp posts.
Well, that's the end of our video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, share and vote for our videos. Bye!